Hi, I'm Erik Linask, and I'm here at Interop in Las Vegas, chatting now with Matt Thauberger, who is a sales manager over at Amax. Matt, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for having me.
So really quickly, can you start me off by telling us a little bit about what Amax does? I know you're in the OEM business.
Correct, yeah. So Amax, we've been a contract manufacturer for over 30 years. We basically do OEM server appliances. So, many software companies that have a solution, they're looking for a deployment of their solution. We build the appliances to basically fit that need.
So what are you seeing? What are you seeing here so far? I know we're early in the show, but what are some of the trends that you've seen? We've
definitely seen over the last 2 or 3 years that the appliance trend is definitely starting to kick in, where the traditional software company that would just sell a software solution, give it to whatever company wants to buy it. Now the appliance option of actually putting that software on a hardware appliance and deploying the total solution to a customer, we've definitely seen demand on that increasing over the years. And definitely at Interop now we've been looking around. You see a lot more appliances. You see a lot more of these total solution type opportunities.
What's the draw for the end user about having an appliance as opposed to just a software?
That's a good question. So overall with the appliance, it's more of an ease of management. You have an appliance with software's loaded on, you plug directly into your IT room or into your network, whereas, in traditional ways, you have the software, you have to load it on your own servers, you have to do the maintenance on that, make sure you have enough CPU power, make sure you have enough storage, you have to do the installation, work on the drivers, things of that sort. So, just having that total solution that goes directly into your room, it's like, it's a very easy solution.
What about when it comes to upgrades and enhancements and added features or things like that? How does that change when you've got an appliance deployment?
So with the appliance, most of the time the software companies, their operating system in their file is usually on the smaller side. So, overall, we work with them in the designing stage to make sure we have enough CPU, make sure there's enough storage in there. So down the road, future expandability, they have enough of what they need. Our boxes, though, are all open architecture, so it's very easy for them to upgrade in the future if they want to, if they have to have more memory, more hard drives. We do have through kits and options that we work with our customers on making that possible.
When you talk about your customers, who are your primary customers?
So primary customers that we have are, such as McAfee, Cisco, St. Bernard Software, name a few.
To name a couple of well-known names, certainly.
Exactly.
What do you see in the next 6 or 12 months, especially on the OEM side and the appliance side?
So definitely, the Nehalem. We've had a lot of Nehalem launches. In March we launched 18 different appliances that are Nehalem based. So we're starting to see, customers starting to evaluate that, take that off. They're starting to kind of tweak their software, if you will, to work with the newer architecture. The Nehalem is faster than anything that's ever been seen before. So trying to get that software to catch up with the hardware and sense. So.
How long typically does it take the market to come to terms where they start to understand or start to realize the benefits of a new architecture like Nehalem?
Yeah, so Nehalem, there was a lot of buzz around probably last November, December timeframe. Right. Customers started asking about it. We got samples out there February, March timeframe. And, the earliest deployments that we're seeing is probably, some are deploying this summer, and then a lot of other customers switching over December of this year and January of next year.
What kind of things are people doing with it?
So, moreover, it's basically just the current architecture that they're having right now, is going end of life. It's kind of, reaching the end of the road. So, they want to go ahead, better performance, better cost. So, they want to take advantage of those opportunities.
So really just an existing, an evolution of their existing technology.
Correct, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
We've been chatting here at Interop with Matt Thauberger from, did I say that right?
Yep, you got it right.
Fantastic. From Amax. Certainly enjoy the rest of the show, and glad you could join us today.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks.
All right.